I'm making my garlic bread spears today. Everyone loves them, and you will too, so let's get started. Okay, in a bowl you've got 5 tablespoons of butter and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm using the garlic press because it's a lot faster, and my recipe here is going to be needing a lot of garlic, so let's just use it. Alright, we got a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of oregano, and those go in. Now we're going to stick this in the microwave for just long enough to melt it. You can melt it slightly more than this depending. It's fairly warm in the room, so it's summertime, so it's gonna melt on its own a little bit. We do not want it hot, because if it's hot it takes forever to come back to being a gooey thing, because you got to stick it in the fridge for a while. But anyways, mix it up. Make sure you get all the clumps out. Again, if I'd have given it one more second, this would be a little bit easier, but like I said, it's fairly warm in the house right now, so it melts out pretty good. That looks like we got it about there. Okay, stick that in the fridge for 20 minutes, half an hour, until it comes back together. Now let's get our sandwich roll. This is about a 7 or 8 inch sandwich roll. It's unsliced, so we slice it down the middle and then slice both halves again, making 4 pieces and a spear-shaped triangle sort of thing. It's slicing bread, so let's speed that up even faster. There you go. That's what they look like. All right, let's take our mixture. You can see it's been in the fridge for a little while, firming up. This is about what you want. You want a pasty consistency, and you're going to put it on fairly thick. You should have enough mixture for this to do all 4 pieces. Just kind of get it started on there to make sure you've got enough, and then come back and fix any spots. If you leave any bare spots, they will burn under the broiler pretty bad. So if you don't like burnt bread flavor, make sure you cover all the little bits and all the tips and all that stuff. There you go. Okay, let's put this on a foil lined baking sheet, because these are going under the broiler. You don't want it on the top shelf because this will burn pretty fast. They're a little higher than everything else, so maybe like the second position. There you go. After a minute or two, you've got garlic spears. I love these things. They're amazing. Serve it with your favorite thing that garlic bread goes with, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and leave me a comment. Thanks. Bye.